In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-create charts from data in Google Sheets. If you have a table of numbers and you want a quick visual, Google Sheets can build a chart for you in just a couple of clicks. The key is setting up your data cleanly, selecting it correctly, and letting Sheets do the rest. Start by entering or updating your data in a simple table with clear headers. Place your column names in the very first row, like date, category, and sales, and keep the data directly underneath without blank rows or columns splitting it up. Make sure numbers are numbers and dates are formatted as dates, so Sheets recognizes them properly. If you have totals, keep them outside the main data block so they don't confuse the chart. A tidy contiguous range helps Sheets automatically detect your labels and series. Next, select the data range you want to chart or simply click anywhere inside that data block. If you want full control, drag to highlight from the top left header through the bottom right cell of your data. If your table is neatly organized, clicking any cell inside it is usually enough. Sheets will infer the entire block for you. Before moving on, take a quick glance to confirm the selection includes your headers and all the rows you care about. Now go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Chart. This is the single command that triggers the automatic chart creation. Google Sheets will immediately create a chart based on the pattern it detects in your data. You'll see it appear on the sheet, and it will usually use your first row as the labels and your first column as the categories. If the chart pops up over your data, just drag it to an open area so you can see everything clearly, or resize it to make the details easier to read. If the result looks off, double check that your headers are accurate, that there aren't hidden blanks, and that the proper cells were selected. Small fixes to the data or the selection often lead to the right chart the next time you insert it. And remember, you can always undo and try again in a couple of seconds. That's all there is to auto-creating charts in Google Sheets. Set up a clean table with headers, select the data or click inside it, choose Insert, Chart, and let Sheets do the heavy lifting. With a well-structured data set, you'll go from raw numbers to an instant visualization in no time.